Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two keyword research platform, which is Semrush and Ubersuggest. So let's get started with the side-by-side comparison about the two platforms. Semrush in 2025 is a powerhouse for keyword research and beyond. It offers one of the largest keyword database with in-depth difficulty scores, search intent analysis, and competitive SRP breakdown. You can track ranking, audit site, analyze backlink, and even manage your PPC and content campaign all inside one professional grade dashboard. Agencies and growing business love SEMrush because its beyond data is deep, reliable, and directly tied to actionable strategy. Now, talking about Ubersuggest, on the other hand, is built for simplicity and speed. It gives clear keyword suggestions, search volume, difficulty rating, and content ideas in a beginner-friendly interface. It's affordable and perfect for freelancers, bloggers, and small business who want to find opportunities quickly without navigating complex features. And here's a there is a overall conclusion about the two platforms. So choose SEMrush if you want the most comprehensive data reach beyond research tools for serious growth, but pick Ubersuggest if you prefer an easy budget friendly solution to kickstart your keyword strategy. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.